What's good, YouTube? Save Me Kicks 23 back at it again with another StoneColdKicks Stunner Box unboxing. I paid $500 for this, and I actually had to open this previously for the simple fact that my dog, she was in here, and I guess she had her head out the window and seen something that she liked. She just had to let loose on it. So this has already been opened, so I have already seen some of these shoes, and I have restarted this video. I don't normally do that. I don't frown upon it, but I like the surprise, and I like to show you the surprise. Not that I get super crazy about a shoe or anything, but anyways, let's get started. These are the Hyper Dunk, kind of like a Spider-Man-ish. It says premium on the front there, like a red and maroon. These are decent, pretty decent shape. Alright. And the second shoe we got is going to be a Flyknit Lunar 1. These are kind of like a filler shoe. Same as the others, but the others are in pretty decent shape, especially for a hoop shoe, as long as it feels good on the feet. Alright, third shoe we got is the Mist Blue. A little bit of sole cracking here on the inside. Shoe's been a little worn, but overall pretty decent condition. Still got a decent amount of the stars. You can feel them all at least. Alright. Go with the box now. Alright. These are a size, well, let me double check. Size 9.5. These are the Candy Cane 14s. These are a super sick shoe if you could catch them brand new. Like what I did there. Fifth shoe here. It's going to be a Bred 4. If the soles get fixed up, I get a little paint slid on there. These should look good. Yeah, all the stars are pretty much there. This one, condition that it's in. But it won't be like that for long. Put that one there. Move on to the sixth shoe in the box. It's going to be a size 11. It is a Jordan 14. These are the Georgetown. These are sick. I like that dark gray. Those are sick. Alright. Next shoe in the box is going to be a Jordan 4. These are the Tour 4s. Jumpman turned upside down there. Do your own little customization to them. They do have some sole cracking on the inside. A little worn. But this shoe, leather-wise, great quality. Alright, eighth shoe in the box, size 11.5, Jordan 12. These are the Obsidian 12s. These are super sick and they're my size. And these are a very comfy shoe in my opinion. Leather quality on these, you can never go wrong with them. Yeah. I'll probably be keeping these. Maybe not, who knows. Might sell them. Might wear them once, sell them. They are in worn condition, but in good condition. Comes with a little extra in there. Last shoe in the box is going to be a 6.5 Nike Air Penny 2. These are in really good shape. Look to be worn maybe one time. Alright, looks to be it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next one. Peace.